Hi, welcome back. Today we will be doing Dyno welcome message. So first obviously we need Dyno bot. And now let's go to server settings, click roles. Make sure the bot is above all the roles. And give the bot admin perm if you haven't already. You can also keep the layout and decors ready like I did. Now go to Dyno dashboard. Select the server you want. Now you will come to this page. See the left-hand side and click modules. In the search bar, click welcome, or you can just scroll down and find welcome feature. Make sure to enable the toggle. By the way, I already did everything here a long time back, as you can see. But don't worry, I will do everything again. Creating the layout beforehand helps so much. All you need to do is copy and paste it. Also before that, make sure to select the welcome message and pick embed above. I forgot to show that in the video. And we pretty much completed the description too. You can find the variable here. Use anything you want. In choose color, just add any hex color code and that is it. I think we are done here. Now I will show you how to add image or GIF links. Just watch it carefully. Here click image address. It's the same for the banner, so I will just skip this part. Now click save. Now I will test this to see if it really works. And here we are. It worked. That is it. I will post my welcome layout in my Discord server. You can join me if you want. The link will be in the description. Make sure your account is 7 days old or above. I have also posted my decors in my server. You can also find other decors and layouts here. And if you don't want those, join us to make new friends and hang out with us. We love when new folks join us. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button to support the channel so that I can make new videos regularly. Sadly, since my job has started, I've gotten busier. Anyway, take care and
see ya.